North Kaizer Chiefs 1 Golden Arrows sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje zokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game manje sibuka namhlanje adu game emnandi indlela eyismart lapho khona esibone khona iKaizer Chiefs ishawa iGolden Arrows okuyi team yala iKaizer Chiefs. iGolden Arrows idluleleke phambili iyodlala nje ama semi-finals bayobhekana no-Orlando Pirates no Mamelodi Sundowns no Sekhukhune United kuma semi-finals. So ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela iKaizer Chiefs edlale ngakhona le game le lapho khona engibone khona ukuthi ke iyona into ebenze badliwe kule game le. Iyona into ebenze bangadlali kahle andike phambili bangenzi okufanelekile. Uqala nje ngeline-up yayo iKaizer Chiefs. Iline-up yayo iKaizer Chiefs ibisimple kakhulu bafethu. Beqale bani na? Beqala uMonyane, uKwinika, uMiguel, uFrosler, uMabuwe, uMntasingwa, kuba uNgcobo, kuba uBartman, mase kuba uVilakazi, mase kuba up front kube uDuba. Yabo. Simple lineup le bafethu iyona ilineup abakhethe ukuqala ngayo le. But ke uma ukhumbula kahle last game abaqalanga kanje. Yabo last game abaqalanga kanje baqala ngoNdlovu, kuMabuwe, mase beza ngobani? Beza ngoChislet lapha na ku number 10. Kodwa ke namhlanje uChislet ade ngekho ebenchini, ade ngekho futhi ke ku starting 11. Ngeke ngazi noma kumjida ke uthintekile. Yabo. So ungasho nje sekuqaleni kwayo iKaizer Chiefs idlale kahle. Mina ngifuna ukuqamba manje iKaizer Chiefs le game le iqale kahle okuyikona ukuthi ke phambili bebengakwenzi lokho kufanelekile. Ube nawo amathuba lomjida lo mfana lo uNgcobo. Nkosi nathi Ngcobo, Nkosi ngiphile njalo, Nkosi ngiphile Ngcobo owatholile amathuba but ke umjida ke akawasebenzisanga amathuba kade wathola. Dwana la umjida ke ube ne game emnandi kakhulu yabo. Okuyikona ukuthi ke uma esefika phambili ubehlule ukwenza into esimple ashifake ibhola enethini. Ukufaka nje ibhola enethini iyona into embulale kakhulu kule game le yabo. But overall his game it was good. And ke one may say igame namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs ibulawe yini na? Ibulawe yisisu. I feel like mina isisam sanamhlanje angisibonanga isiseKaizer Chiefs njalo angisibonanga namhlanje. Angifuna nje ukuqamba manga isiso angisibonanga. Yes bebenawo lo moments. uBartman ubedlala kakhulu lapha ka left ubeyihlupha ngempela iGolden Arrows yabo. And ke uVilakazi na ngale ka right ubeyihlupha ngempela iGolden Arrows because wabonile amabhola ade wafaka eboxini. Ngimbonanga kakhulu uDuba namhlanje akayihluphanga kakhulu idefense yayo inina iGolden Arrows yabo. Mase ubenje ama stats I don't think uDuba ube nayo short. I think ube nayo maybe 1 or 2 if I'm not mistaken, but I didn't see much of uDuba kuyona le game. But ke overall iKaizer Chiefs idlalile kule game le kuyikona ukuthi ke iGolden Arrows ibiwazi umsebenzi wayo bizo defender because it was an away team. Njengoba kuyi away team nje ibisebenza ngama counter attacks. Siyibonile na iGolden Arrows first half iwathola lawo moments lawo. Simbonile uZwane Swini, what a very good player. uZwane bafethu uyadlala lo amjida. Simbonile noVanil naye umjida ke ade shoshela ngale. Simbonile naye ke uShezi ethola lela goal leliya yabo. So iGolden Arrows bekusimpulo kwayo ukuthi ke idefend ihlale emuva ke ilindi iKaizer Chiefs ize kuyona. iKaizer Chiefs uma ihluleka mase ke ithole momentum iGolden Arrows mase ke ishaya icounter attack. Sayazi iGolden Arrows ibhola vele bidlala last season under ubani na uManqoba. uManqoba Mnqithi ilona bhola lekade lisebenzisa kakhulu for iGolden Arrows. So kungixakile ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ingayi analyze lento ibheke because iGolden Arrows iyahlala emuva ke ikubuke uza kukwena ukuthi ke ingabe uma sebeshaya icounter attack wena umnandi nemuva yabo. I don't wanna la igoli kube yiphutha yabo. Angifuna nje uqamba manje igoli kube iphutha labani la iphutha lakhe ugoalkeeper ukube ugoalkeeper ubesendaweni yakhe right ngabe lela bhola alingenanga nethini yabo. Iqiniso nje linjalo uPeterson lapha bengimele nje ahlale nje ku line wakhe akothi ke alibambe kahle ibhola kungaze kwenzeka le yanto leya because lela bhola nje ukuba mhlambe ke uliyekile angalithinta because kuba alithinta bengelini ethini bengelini ethini but ke ubezama ukulisave lingasondeli ngakhona nethini. But ke overall for me I had a good game. We saw Mabuwe mjida udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu Mabuwe. Ama shot akhe wabona ama shot akhe uMabuwe ukuthi ke abeyangqweni ethini yabo. It's a pity they didn't win the game. I'm sure coach will be disappointed because yena ngokwakhe kufika kwakhe uthe ufuna ukuna wonke ama cups akhona ku Betway Premiership. But ke le ibaphunyukile nje kungekho mnandi bekunzima impela. So njoba nje ibaphunyukile iGolden Arrows iyobhekana neMamelodi Sundowns kuma semi-finals mase kuthi ke iSekhukhune United sibhekane against iOrlando Pirates. So remember ke lama games lawa awu two-legged fixtures. So nje awu two-legged nje iSekhukhune United sizodlala umdlalo waso wokuqala. I think bazodlala le eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium mase kuthi ke isecond leg iyodlala le eOrlando Stadium. So iOrlando Pirates ke iyona ongasho ukuthi ke ine upper hand but ke I wouldn't write iSekhukhune off. The last time we played against iSekhukhune ku MTN I think we won go 5-0. So Orlando Pirates iyawazi umsebenzi 2-leg draw le bafethu, so they know what to do. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Golden Arrows. Last season we saw Mamelodi Sundowns ne Golden Arrows. Yabo kwama games amnandi, so kuzoba mnandi ukubabona bebuya la le eMlazi Mamelodi Sundowns because iyona ezoqala idlale le eLucas Morepe Stadium mase kuthi ke i-second leg iyodlalwa le eMlazi eKings Welithini Stadium. It's either Kings Welithini Stadium or Izwa Moses Mabhida, but ke I know for a fact the game they will take it to eMlazi eKings Welithini Stadium because Golden Arrows they usually get their fans ukuthi ke afinga ngobuningi azoyisupport. So ungangitshela wona ama comments, who do you think will go to the final? We might see Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns once again in Mabhida Stadium, which will be a very, very nice final for i-team Orlando Pirates ne-team Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, because siyawazi ke ama-final abo ukuthi ke azohlale emnandi. Uma uthula ama-team lawa ayifuna le ndebe le Orlando Pirates ke izofuna ukuyenza i-history, naye ke Mamelodi Sundowns kade yagcina ukuthi ke iwin i-MTN. Ungangitshela ukuthi ke ubani ozoyithatha i-MTN? Ngabe i-Kaizer Chiefs? Ayibo, konje siphumile senkolo.